Yeah, this is a nice light summer rain.
Making a video?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. A nightly downpour.
We get this pretty much every day in the evening. This is our lovely jungle garden that Marcella has done. There's our fig tree, our mandarin tree, lemongrass.
Roses.
There's the infamous Marcella. Where's the kids? Here's Maggie. And here's the whiskey dog. Here's the whiskey dog.
And you can lay down, okay, my good boy? You lay down for me?
Over there against that post, that's oregano. Maggie, what are you doing?
You crazy dog. You're not going to touch the wild girl.
So I don't know if you can see on the street. I'll try to magnify this. It's our streets become rivers. So instead of, well, actually, it is named after a river, Rio Papaloapan. If we were out this direction towards the main road called Francisco Villa, the water's probably about 2 feet deep right now out there. So just thought I'd take this, and I'll be emailing this out to everybody so they can see what we get on a daily basis here. Love you all. Bye-bye.